What if you could build a secure financial future with just a few well-chosen investments? In this video, we'll explore 6 Vanguard ETFs that have consistently delivered strong returns, even during market downturns. These ETFs are not only backed by solid performance data, but are also designed to help you grow your wealth over time. When it comes to investing, choosing the right ETFs can make all the difference in building a secure and prosperous financial future. In a world where market volatility is a constant concern, it's crucial to select funds that not only offer growth potential, but also provide stability during downturns. That's why today, we're focusing on 6 Vanguard ETFs that have consistently outperformed the market, delivering solid returns and peace of mind to investors. These ETFs are carefully selected based on their historical performance, dividend growth, and overall resilience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which ETFs can help you achieve your financial goals, whether you're looking for steady income, capital appreciation, or a combination of both. And stay tuned because the final ETF we'll discuss has the potential to turn a $10,000 investment into a $1 million. Let's break down each of these powerful investment options. If you want more tips on building wealth, hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Vanguard Growth ETF, or VOOG. This ETF is tailored for investors looking to tap into the growth potential of large-cap U.S. companies. With a focus on firms that have strong earnings growth prospects, VOOG has proven to be a solid performer over time. Let's dive into the details. VOOG currently has a dividend yield of 0.50%, based on $1.88 in yearly dividends. While this yield may appear modest, the real appeal of VOOG lies in its long-term growth potential. Over the past decade, VOOG has delivered an average annual share price increase of 13.56%, making it a compelling choice for growth-oriented investors. If you were to invest $10,000 in VOOG today, after 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $11,406, including $50 from dividends. But the magic of compounding becomes evident over time. After 5 years, your investment could grow to $19,065, with an annual dividend of $95. And looking further ahead, in 10 years, that $10,000 could potentially be worth $100,000, $36,150. With continued growth expected in the long term. In 30 years, your initial investment could soar to $603,955, generating annual dividends of $3,005, or about $250 per month. The secret to VOOG's success lies in its portfolio, which includes big names like Apple and Microsoft, companies known for their strong growth potential. With over $88 billion in assets under management, VOOG is a powerhouse ETF that has been around for nearly 20 years. Its focus on high-growth companies, combined with a super low expense ratio of just 0.04%, makes it an excellent choice for those who believe in the future of major U.S. tech and growth stocks. At number 5, we have the Vanguard Mega Cap Growth ETF, or MGK, a fund that gives investors access to some of the largest and most growth-oriented companies in the U.S. market. With a current dividend yield of 0.45%, MGK primarily focuses on capital appreciation, making it an attractive choice for long-term investors. If you invest $10,000 in MGK today and reinvest the dividends, after 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $11,486. Over a 5-year period with reinvested dividends, your investment could increase to around $19,909. After 10 years, your investment could be worth roughly $39,028. By the 20-year mark, that $10,000 investment could grow to approximately $152,740. And if you hold on for 30 years, it could potentially grow to around $610,310. This significant growth is driven by MGK's focus on mega-cap companies like Apple and Microsoft, which have consistently fueled its strong performance. With a low expense ratio of 0.07%, MGK remains a cost-effective way to capitalize on the growth potential of some of the most powerful companies in the world. At number 4 on our list is the Vanguard Russell 1000 Growth ETF, or VONG. This ETF tracks the Russell 1000 Growth Index, offering investors broad exposure to large-cap U.S. companies with strong growth potential. With a current dividend yield of 0.63%, VONG provides a balance between income and capital appreciation, especially when dividends are reinvested. If you invest $10,000 in VONG today and reinvest the dividends, after 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $11,437. Over 5 years, with reinvested dividends, your investment could increase to around $20,591. After 10 years, your investment could be worth roughly $39,550. By the 20-year mark, your $10,000 investment could grow to approximately $152,810. And in 30 years, with the power of compounding and reinvested dividends, that investment could potentially grow to about $677,380. This impressive growth is driven by VONG's diverse portfolio of growth stocks, making it a solid choice for investors looking to capture the upside of leading U.S. companies. With a low expense ratio of 0.08%, VONG offers an efficient way to participate in the long-term growth of the U.S. economy. At number 3 on our list is the Vanguard Mega Cap ETF, or MGC, which offers investors exposure to a broad range of large-cap U.S. companies. With a current dividend yield of 1.21% and $2.44 paid per share in the past year, MGC is designed to provide a balance between income and capital appreciation. MGC has delivered an impressive average annual return of 12.26%, making it a strong contender for long-term growth. If you invest $10,000 in MGC today and reinvest the dividends, after 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $11,347. Over 5 years, with reinvested dividends, your investment could increase to around $18,621. After 10 years, your investment could be worth roughly $33,640. By the 20-year mark, that $10,000 investment could grow to approximately $108,750. And if you hold on for 30 years, it could potentially grow to around $351,350. This strong performance is driven by MGC's diversified portfolio of mega-cap companies, offering both stability and growth potential. With an expense ratio of 0.07%, MGC is a cost-effective way to invest in some of the largest and most successful companies in the U.S. market. At number 2 on our list is the Vanguard S&P 500 Growth ETF, or VOOG. This ETF is designed to track the performance of the S&P 500 Growth Index, providing exposure to companies in the S&P 500 that exhibit strong growth characteristics. With a current dividend yield of 0.71% and an impressive average annual return of 13.32%, VOOG is a powerful choice for investors looking to capture growth within the U.S. stock market. If you invest $10,000 in VOOG today and reinvest the dividends, after 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $11,403. Over 5 years, with reinvested dividends, your investment could increase to around $19,119. After 10 years, your investment could be worth roughly $35,790. By the 20-year mark, that $10,000 investment could grow to approximately $126,070. And if you hold on for 30 years, it could potentially grow to around $438,270. This substantial growth is driven by VOOG's focus on high-growth companies within the S&P 500, making it a robust option for long-term investors seeking capital appreciation. With a low expense ratio of 0.1%, VOOG offers an efficient way to invest in some of the fastest-growing companies in the U.S. market. Finally, at number 1 on our list is the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, or VGT. This ETF provides investors with exposure to the fast-growing technology sector, which has been a driving force behind market gains in recent years. With a current dividend yield of approximately 0.75%, VGT offers a mix of modest income and significant growth potential. As of August 26, 2024, VGT has delivered a 1-year return of 36.52%, a 3-year annualized return of 18.25%, and a year-to-date return of 28.30%. If you invest $10,000 in VGT today and reinvest the dividends, after 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $13,727. Over the next 3 years with reinvested dividends, your investment could increase to around $19,491. As of the year to date, that investment could potentially grow to about $25,009. Looking further ahead, if you hold this investment for 20 years, it could grow to approximately $279,400. And in 30 years, your $10,000 could potentially grow to around $1,088,500. This incredible growth potential is driven by VGT's focus on the technology sector, which has consistently outpaced other market segments. With a low expense ratio of 0.1%, VGT offers an efficient way to invest in some of the world's most innovative and successful companies, making it an excellent choice for long-term investors aiming to capitalize on the tech boom. These 6 Vanguard ETFs offer a diverse range of investment opportunities, each with the potential to help you build a secure and prosperous financial future. Whether you're seeking steady growth, dividend income, or exposure to cutting-edge sectors like technology, these ETFs have proven their worth over time. From the stability of large-cap growth to the explosive potential of the tech sector, these funds provide a solid foundation for any long-term investment strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on smart investing strategies and financial planning. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, stay consistent, and let your money work for you over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.